You need to make sure you're getting your auto expense write-offs. Many of you may be thinking, I own this automobile in my personal name. So what? You're still incurring costs for your business. And here's the thing. Automobile expenses, you can take actual expenses or you can take the standard mileage rate. The standard mileage rate is 58.5 cents per mile if you're doing business. But I don't want you to forget about if you're doing things for charity, because you can take a 14 cents per mile write off. If you are going to the doctor, that's 18 cents per mile. So get all of your mileage expenses in there, or your actual expenses, to include the ownership cost of that vehicle if you have a car payment, to include the insurance costs, the upkeep, the tires, the gas, the washes, 100% of it, AAA, get it all in there, all of it, because I want to make sure that you get your write-off.